Assalamu alaikum everyone. So there are no signs of stopping on USTC. We've actually seen USTC quite crazy. I'm really enjoying what USTC is doing right now. But however, as I told you before, that you still have a challenge to break above this yellow box that I draw before. So if you're new to the channel, do make sure you sub, because you may never see this channel again. And I am continuously now uploading about USTC. So do make sure you're turning on the bells to get notification in the future. Now, there's one thing I'm noticing on USTC, and there's I don't know, this is a new term that I came to learn, which is known as accumulation, which is ascending accumulation. I don't know, something like this. I don't know. Let's actually do a Google just to be sure what it's called, and let's see if it's called ascending accumulation or something like that. This is something that I saw yesterday on a video on Twitter. Ascending accumulation. Don't know. There's no any name like this one, I guess. The ascending triangle pattern. No, this is not the one that I'm looking for. But anyways, there was it's known as an accumulation zone where you just keep on continuing. Actually, not accumulation, but reaccumulation, because accumulation actually was down here. You move up and you make reaccumulation, and then you probably try to move to the upside. Now, here's the catch. Here is the catch. I can actually say that you have a pennant. If I remove all the drawings, do you notice that this is more like a pennant? And you may actually see USTC going from there to there, and we might be looking at a technical target of 0.10812, right? But the problem comes that, yes, the pennant is there, but do not ignore the resistance, because this is still somewhere you still need to break above. Now, let's say if you see USTC, now listen, this is what you want to hear carefully. So stop doing what you're doing, bro, and listen very carefully. If you do take out 0.079, okay, if you're taking this stop out right there, there are 90% chances you just do something like this, touch this zone, and actually climb all the way up to 0.1. Okay, now whether you retest or not, but eventually, if you take this out, you really open the door to go all the way up to 0.1, even higher to 0.13, actually, not even just there. So what you're looking forward to is just come up here, take this, take the high at 0.1. This is taken out. You create a new high, and you continue to even make another continuous high. What are the odds that you really break above here, though? I've talked about that yesterday. What are the odds that you really break above? Well, all the information is on the volume. Okay, the volume here, this is for the first time we've seen a very big volume break, and I personally believe that with such a break, you're looking for a break above here, but it has not happened. Okay, do not get excited that yes, the volume did break out, but the pattern has not break out. But the odds of breaking out the pattern is actually very strong right now. It's not weak as it used to be right in these three different places, but this fourth one really means something, really is very strong. And I personally kind of am in that zone where, yes, finger crossed, we're looking for USDC to move even a little bit higher. And if this thing does actually fly all the way up to $1, oh my goodness, man, that's just going to be incredible. And that's it for this update on USDC. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.